Should be right. Oh yeah. Look at that. Just a little bit of singeing. Hey campers, Joe, your Tin Cup Chef here. So for my dinner tonight before I go home, I'm having a rib steak and a beer can baked potato. For our rib steak, we're gonna only want garlic. I've got peppercorns in there and some kosher salt. That's all we're gonna need to season that beautiful piece of meat. All right, there's our garlic. So we're gonna just manually crack all these peppercorns. That's gonna give us the seasonings we want right there. We're gonna take some of our garlic, get that on there, some pepper, yeah, a little kosher salt. When you're cooking this over the fire, you don't need to worry about over seasoning it. Believe me, it's gonna be fine. Do the other side. Okay, we'll get back to you as soon as we're ready to throw this on the fire. So, I don't have any aluminum foil, but I got a beer can. So, we stuff our potato in our beer can. Take our other can. You might have to crimp this down a little bit so you can slide over it. We're going to get that slid right over. Get it down all the way. And now we got ourselves a capsule to bake our potato. Here's the beer can with the potato right there. I got it down in the coals real close to the fire. Well, it's been about an hour and 15 minutes. I'm going to move this off to the warmer area over here and get these coals moved around, and then probably kick up the fire a little bit to heat up our grate. Fire's looking pretty good. I think it's time we throw this bad boy on there. Probably gonna take about 4 to 6 minutes aside. I like it rare. I might even bring it down real close. Alright, been 6 minutes. Maybe we'll give it a flip here. Take a look. Oh yeah. I'd say that's about perfect. 45 minutes. We'll be serving it up. In 4 minutes, should be right. Oh yeah, look at that. Just a little bit of singeing. I know it's still medium rare in the middle, maybe medium. Oh, let's get this on the table so you can get a better look, and we'll check that potato out. Got our steak there. Here's our beer can potato. What I'm gonna do, actually I want to do this while the steak is still nice and warm. I'm gonna spread a little butter on there. Why? Because everything's better with butter on it. Oh, okay. Let that soak in. Let's open this potato up. See what we got. One of the ends got charred. That's alright. Hope the rest is alright. Oh, not too bad. There, see? Let's see how it puffs up. Nice. Looks fluffy to me. Of course I got, what do I want on there? Butter. Put a little salt on there. And I love these sour cream containers, the little tube ones. Let's see. Oh man, it's just pulling apart tender. Oh my goodness. I would say that's medium rare. Cut that off. Go for a heart bite. Mm. 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 Next to prime rib, the rib steaks. Yep. Mm-hmm. Mm. That potato is done perfectly. Well, if you can't join me, I hope you do it on your own. You won't regret it. Take care, guys. I gotta finish dinner, pack up. Unfortunately, my weekend is done. And go back to the city life. And we'll see you next time. Bye.